All, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossom, and today I'm here with my Envybox. I got this month's box very early, but I was a little busy with my personal life, so I couldn't film any videos. And so let me open it. I have seen sneak peeks on Instagram, but I've not opened this one. It's the same. So let us see what we have. The box, by the way, the box is really pretty and nice. And we have this card which says January beauty box. It has all the details on what all the products we have. We'll see at the end. And then we have products here. I can see all the stars sparkling there. And then we have here. So the first thing which attracts me is this big tub of the tube of this face wash. This is from Errata. I've never heard of this brand. I'm not sure if, I think it's not Indian because it's written in some different language. So this is Errata Zero Chemicals face wash with flaxseed extract, peppermint and lemon oil. This is of 125 ml. The packaging is really pretty and unique. This one retails of 575 rupees and this is manufactured in 2018, which is fresh batch, and this is non-toxic, not tested on animals, 100% natural, dermatologically tested, and once you start using it you have to finish in 6 months. It has all the details here on how to use and what it is. And this is a 100% natural and stunning refreshing face wash which brings the unique natural blend of peppermint oil, lemon oil, flaxseed, apricot seeds and honeysuckle extract. Oh, that's good. So yeah, so this is our first product. The next thing I see is teeny tiny sample of O3 Plus Professional Derma Fresh Mask for brightening and whitening, and this is of 10 grams sample. And yeah, I think it's not for sale, it's a sample size. This says the full size is 50 grams, which is 425, and in the box we get 10 grams, which is a sample size. So this is a freshness booster with the Derma Fresh Mask that is enriched with brightening and calming properties. It helps in detoxifying and refreshing facial skin, and it also says how to use it. You just have to apply this mask on a cleansed face and leave it for 15 minutes without any disturbance, and you can wipe off the mask with a wet towel or leave on. Use it thrice a week. And the first one, which is Errata, is a new brand launch actually. So this is a new brand launch which they are coming, which they have launched in Envybox. And yes, so that's really nice. That's a full size product. So that's our second product. The product I see is this Elixir hair fall serum, which is pure natural and Ayurvedic. This is made in India and this is 15 ml serum. This one says it's retail of 1000 rupees. That's so expensive for a tiny bottle. But Elixir, I think last time they have given Elixir face serum, face oil in the Envybox. It was really nice. And they also have included a dropper. So they have included this dropper so you can use it with this hair serum. And also it says about the hair fall serum, directions and ingredients. So this one helps naturally strengthen the hair from follicle to tip and eventually reducing hair fall, and it's no fuss serum. You can notice the difference within 4 to 5 washes. And it says how to use this serum. You have to just mix the right amount of drops of the serum with whichever shampoo you're Oh, I thought you have to mix it in oil. Okay, so you have to mix the serum with shampoo you're comfortable with. For ear length hair you have to add like 4 to 6 drops, and shoulder length 7 to 10, and beyond shoulder length you have to add 10 to 14 drops. In the palm of your hand, mix the serum with your shampoo and massage into the scalp hair from the scalp to roots. Leave it on for at least 2 minutes and then rinse it off. Oh, that's really different. I've never used any serum which I have to mix it with the shampoo. So let's see, I'm excited to try this one. And the ingredients for the 4 ml of for the 4 ml of the serum, they have included all this with the quantity. So we have got 15 ml, which is of 1000 rupees, and it also says you have to keep it out of reach of children. You have to do a skin test before applying if you're allergic to something, and also keep it away from sunlight. And this has not been tested on animals and are handmade using 100% natural high grade essential oils. So that's really nice. I am so excited to try this one as well. And then we have got these cute 4 of these Bella Voces nail enamel, premium nail enamel, and they are so cute. I really like this one with lips and hearts. And then we have stars, big stars, and different colors. We have glitters, nude color. So let us see. It doesn't have any shade name, but it says it's 626, which is like brown color. I just applied the nail polish, so I don't want to remove it. It's like brown color, and this is of 6 ml. And the next one is 615. Ones have these are free from 5 toxins which normally are used in enamel, so they don't use in these Bella Voce nail polishes. So this one is the second one. And the third one is this ash bluey kind of thing. This is 627. Next one is this 606, which is really peachy shade. I really love this packaging. Oh my god, I really love this one. So these are the 4 shades which we have got. And as per the info card, it says the full size, which is 6 ml, which is 6 ml of each, is $5.99. Okay, I think all these are $5.99. These are 4 per box, and this is made in France and Luxembourg and is suitable for all types and every occasion. And this also has a striking finish that brimming with flamboyance. We have got like 4 nail polishes from Bella Voce's, hair fall serum from Elixir. I'm really excited. And we have got this full size new launch face wash and this O3 plus Derma Fresh mask sample. This is all I have received in my box, and I think they should have added one more product, but still it's good because you get 4 nail polishes. But I thought it's New Year, so they could have added one more product that would really make this box glow more. But nevertheless, I still have got products worth of 2600 in this month's box. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. I feel they would have added one more product that would really make it really more nice. It's nice, but still it would have made this box more beautiful. Thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to comment down and let me know which nail color you like the most from this box. Thanks all, have a great day. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.